Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a freaking awesome day. Picking up the brand new ride. Brand new 2018 Ram. All blacked out wheels, blacked out side step. That's all blacked out. New front end. We are gonna swap all this out. 35s, put some new 20s on it. It's even got the blacked out back. Super excited. Can't wait for this new thing. The old one, 7 years, lots of hard pulling. It's time for another one. Just put the leveling kit on it so it's not sitting down so far in the front end. It's looking awesome now. That sits a lot better than it did. That looked terrible before. Stay tuned, more to come. Brand new 35-inch tires, brand new 20-inch rims. I'll show you in a second. Yeah, brand new spacer. Now it just needs new tires and wheels. And we're back. And this is the new. Oh damn, that's a big difference. That's like night and day. Ooh, that looks good. Black on gray. Oh, this is an awesome freaking truck. Time to go show everybody. That's like night and day.